हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। We are finally making Blackpink slime. Like literally so many of you guys have been requesting it. So fantastics, when I looked for, Blackpink slime in YouTube, there was not a lot of slime. There was some, shorts and stuff, but that's it. There was no proper Blackpink slime. I was like, let's take an idea from some videos, but I wasn't able to find a lot of, Blackpink slime. So today I'm going to make my own version of Blackpink slime. So if you guys don't know, Blackpink is a girl group, the top girl group of Korea, and like I've really enjoyed their songs also. Like I am also a Blink as well as an ARMY. Like I am an overall K-pop stan. So Blackpink is literally one of my favorite girl groups as well. So as some of you guys have been requesting it, so here it is, and I am making Blackpink slime for you guys today. So yeah, let's now take our bowl. So here's our bowl. We are making Blackpink slime, so obviously we are going to need a black and a pink slime as well. So yeah, now let's take some glue. So I've told you guys this is a no glue no Borax slime. So मैं ये वाली slimes बनाने वाली हूँ Fevigum से. So yeah guys, let's take some Fevigum. So I am using these Fevigums because these were the only ones that were available near me, and I'm pretty sure आप सबके stationery के पास Fevigum मिल रहा होगा. So I thought let's make slime with Fevigum because this is the most easily available gum. So yeah, let's just add our glue जल्दी से. So fantastic, as you guys can see, we've added our Fevigum. So now अब time है हमारा water add करने की. So we are going to add a little bit of water because Fevigum की consistency बहुत ज़्यादा thick होती है, and it will help if we add a little bit of water. So now let's add a little bit of water in this. 3 to 4 tablespoons of water for 2 bottles of these. So 4 tablespoons of water in this and 4 tablespoons of water in this. So now let's add the water. So हमारा water add हो चुका है. Now we just need to mix it all together with the Fevigum. So yeah, I'll just fast forward this process. So now क्योंकि हमारी एक slime pink है and एक slime black, now we are going to add the colors. So yeah, let's now add. So for the black color, I'm using this poster colors, this Camden like poster black. So I'm using this for the black. Now let's add and mix the color. Now let's take a little bit of color. So let's just mix this black color. As you guys can see, the black is like pretty black, like it's getting darker by the second. It's really super black, you guys. Wow. It is actually beautiful. So now as you guys can see, our black is mixed really nicely. Now let's move on to our pink slime. So black is definitely ready. It does not look that black here, I don't know why, but it's like super black, you guys. Now for the pink slime, we are going to add the raspberry red color, which does changes into a light pinkish color. So yeah, now let's just add our food coloring into this. I think that should be enough. Like, oh my god, that looks so pretty, you guys. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Oh my god, it's not focusing. They look like mushrooms. Oh my god, let's just mix it. Can you guys see? It's so pink. Oh my god, it's literally so pink, you guys. It looks orange in the camera, I don't know why, but it's like super pink in real life. Like, it's actual the signature Blackpink shade, you know. Oh my god. So originally I thought I should add black glitter into this slime and pink into this. So I don't know what should I do, but I think I should add both the glitters and both of the slime, because you know, if black mixes into the, you know, black slime, then at least we have pink, and if pink completely dissolved in the pink slime, then we have black. So yeah, let's add black and pink both glitters into both of our slimes, and let's see how that looks. Oh my god. So here I have some pink glitter, and I'm going to add this pink glitter in both of the slimes. So yeah, I will give you guys a close-up because it is going to be beautiful. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Wow. Wow. It literally looks so pretty. Let's add some glitter into this slime as well. Oh my god, you guys. So that's pretty much all the glitter we had. Now let's add some black glitter. Oh my god, it's not even focusing, you guys. Now let's add some black glitter. I think that should be enough. And here also, let's add some black glitter. Now we'll just mix everything. Like, wow. I don't know like which color is going to be more prominent, but oh god, this looks so pretty. So pretty. It's literally like a glittery slime, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Like, I am having so much fun right now. Like, it's literally so fun. All of my favorite things in one place. But this pinkish one is, I think it is going to be my favorite. So let's just first activate this slime. So we are going to use our, you know, Borax activator. If you guys want to know how I made this, then make sure to check the recipe on the I button. And now let's just start activating. It pretty much activates itself at this point like this. Oh my god. So fantastic. As you guys can see, this is like literally ready. Our slime is so like actually ready. You know, we just need to knead it a little bit, but you guys can see it's literally perfect. Yeah, we just need to, you know, activate it a little bit more, but I think I like this consistency, and I'm going to let it be in this, since, you know, isko clear bhi hona hai. So yeah, I'll just leave the slime in this consistency, and now I'll also activate this black one as well. So let's just activate this one. I'm using a pink spoon for this. So let's mix. Oh my god, this is literally just black, you guys. I think we should add a little bit more pink glitter into this, because you know, pink glitter isme bilkul nahi dikh raha hai. So I'm going to add a little bit more pink glitter. So let's add pink glitter into this. Wow. So yeah, now let's mix and let's activate our slime. Now it has a little bit more pink glitter, but as you guys can see in the close-up, it has more pink glitter now. So we'll start activating it with our activator. So now I will just fast forward this process of adding activator. So yeah, let's add activator into this, and let's activate our slime. So as you can see, it is activating. So fantastic, as you guys can see, like literally it is so beautiful, you guys. It has such a nice, texture. Like, can you guys see how jiggly this is? Like, actually I did so right by adding water. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my god, this actually looks so pretty, you guys. So fantastic, as you guys can see, this is the actual color. I've just increased the saturation a little bit so that you guys can see the real color. Like, oh my god, can you guys see that? Like, how pretty black and pink like literally this can itself called as BLACKPINK. So we have like two types of BLACKPINK slime. So this is the one, like, I don't know, now I'm like confused like which one is my favorite, because both of them are literally so pretty, you guys. So this is the first one, so let's call it A. And now I'll show you the second one, which is the B. So you guys can now vote and choose whichever is your favorite slime. So this one is the B. I don't know, I like both of them too much. I don't know if you guys literally understand, but I am literally obsessed. It looks so pretty. So comment down below which slime you like the most, B or A, because I love them both and they look so pretty. So make sure to give this video a like if you want a ASMR video of these or ASMR shorts of these when they clear up. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you guys have seen this video till the end, then make sure to comment down below a black and a pink heart emoji. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's all you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.